Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Unlock the iPhone and make sure it has a SIM or active eSIM. Once done, open the Settings app. Tap Phone to go straight to the item that usually displays your number. Alternatively, tap Contacts and look for My Card at the top. Make sure iOS is responsive. If menus lag, close apps and reopen settings. This gets you to the screen where the number is shown so you can confirm or copy it quickly. Now find the actual digits. In Settings, right arrow Phone, read the My Number field at the top. That's your line as the iPhone reads it. If you used Contacts, open My Card and scan the phone fields for the number you want. For dual SIM iPhones, check labels for each line. If the phone screen is blank, move to Messages or FaceTime settings where your number can appear because those apps pull the same contact data. This helps when one path is empty. Finish by copying or editing the number so you can share it. Tap My Number or open My Card, choose Edit, then select and copy the digits to paste into Messages or Documents. Make sure you save changes so the card stays current. If no number appears, try toggling airplane mode, restarting the phone, or removing and reinserting the SIM. Make sure your carrier activated the line. If problems persist, contact your carrier. They can confirm provisioning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.